We did see a cold morning for us this morning. You probably wanted that hot coffee or tea instead as you stepped out the door on your morning hours. We have another freeze warning issued for our area for tonight for the counties highlighted in purple here from Smith, Gregg, Harrison down south into deep East Texas. Now, Tyler Pounds Airport did drop to the freezing mark this morning for a grand total of 5 minutes, and then it warmed right back up to 33. So the National Weather Service went ahead and issued another freeze warning there because of how brief that freeze was, and we are expecting temperatures to drop to around freezing again tomorrow morning, especially in deep East Texas is where we have our best chance of seeing a freeze. Right now temperatures are sitting out in the middle and upper 40s. We're seeing lots of sunshine, so when you're in the sun it's not too bad, but when you're out of it it's chilly out there, especially when that wind blows, which is out of the east northeast right now at around 5 to 10 miles per hour. The normal high temperature is 73 degrees right now. We're running about 20 degrees below average for this time of the year, but we will see the temperatures start to climb as we head into the weekend. Highs back above average by Saturday and Sunday, and then on Monday we're actually back into the 80s out there, and by that point the normal high temperature is down to 72, so it's going to be a lot warmer than average going forward for this time of the year. Now, of course, October is over, so let's take a look at the month in review. Here's a look at the average temperatures for Tyler, Longview, and Lufkin. Again, this is the high and low of each day divided by the amount of days in October. We saw a 1.3 degree temperature warmer than average in Tyler, about 1.2 degrees warmer than average in Longview, and about 2.1 degrees above average in Lufkin. Not nearly as above average as what we saw over the summer, but overall October was warmer than normal despite the cold end to it. In terms of the hottest day this October, it was reached on October 1st, where we made it into the low to mid 90s. Remember those? It was October 1st when we reached those 90s out there, and then our coldest temperature was actually made yesterday. So warmest day was the first day of the month. Coolest day was the last day of the month. That's where we typically expect it to be, but it typically never works out that way. We dropped down into those middle and upper 30s on the last day of October on our Halloween morning. Now for today, we are going to climb into the mid 50s with mostly sunny skies. So a pretty cool day in store for us, feeling more like a pleasant January day than a November day. For tonight, we'll drop down to the low 30s with mostly clear skies expected. Again, many of us do stay above freezing, but I think deep East Texas is where we have the best shot of seeing those freezing temperatures. It won't be as cold for many of us, though, as winds turn more to the southeasterly direction overnight, which will start to bring in warmer air from the Gulf of Mexico. Your 7-day forecast looks like this. We are going to see those temperatures on the rise over the next few days, more noticeable in the afternoons than the mornings. That is until the weekend. And look at that, those morning lows will be warmer than at any point today on Monday morning, where we bottom out at 62 degrees. We'll be into the 80s on Monday, and then see cooler air on Tuesday as a cold front moves through. For deep East Texas, it's more of the same. Look for those warming temperatures with highs in the 80s by Monday and Tuesday of next week, so it gets a lot warmer from here. For your latest weather forecast, you can head on over to our website. That is KETK.com.